Now, Kerala Chief Minister hits out at the Maharashtra Mantri and his remarks. After Nitish Rane said that Kerala has become a mini Pakistan, now we are seeing Nitish Rane's remarks are being called provocative and condemnable. It is the Kerala Chief Minister who's hit back at Nitish Rane. Nitish Rane said that Kerala has become mini Pakistan. And now we are seeing the Kerala Chief Minister hit out at the remarks being made by Nitish Rane. The Chief Minister said Sangh Parivar's approach towards Kerala has been exposed. It was Nitish Rane who said that Gandhis were elected because Kerala is mini Pakistan. Nitish Rane also said the terrorists voted for Rahul Gandhi and later for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Kerala Chief Minister now saying that what is the Sangh Parivar's approach towards Kerala has become very clear and has been exposed today.
मिनी पाकिस्तानच आहे केरळ म्हणूनच तो राहुल गांधी तिथे निवडून आता त्यांची बहीण निवडून येते ना सगळे अतिरेकीच त्याला मतदान करतात खरंच आहे विचारा एका अतिरेकींना धरूनच ते लोक खासदार झालेले आहेत म्हणून आपल्याला सांगतो
It is the Kerala Chief Minister who has hit back at the Minister Nitish Rane, who made a comment that Kerala has turned into mini Pakistan. He also went on to say that it was the terrorists who voted for Rahul Gandhi earlier in Wayanad and later for Priyanka Gandhi Vadra.
हमारे देश में रह के अगर कोई देश विरोधी ताकतों को अगर मदद लेके चुनाव लड़ रहा है तो उस बारे में बात करना ये मेरा अधिकार है। मुझे गलत सिद्ध करने की ताकत अगर कांग्रेस के लोगों की होगी तो उन्हें करना चाहिए। तो मैं बताऊंगा मैं कौन से बेसिस के ऊपर मैंने इंफॉर्मेशन बाहर निकाली है। उन्होंने बोलना चाहिए कि वायनाड के चुनाव में व उपचुनाव में कोई भी ऐसी आतंकी संगठनों का हाथ नहीं था। मैं रोड शो के फोटोग्राफ आपको दिखा सकता हूं जहां बहुत सारे झंडे कांग्रेस के झंडे छोड़ के ऐसे ध्वज वहां लहरा रहे थे जो हमारे देश विरोधी ताकतों के हैं।
My colleague Shivi Mol is now joining me on the story. Shivi Mol, we are now seeing Kerala Chief Minister hitting out and saying that these kind of remarks do not sit well with the state, and also saying that these remarks are actually exposing what the Sangh Parivar believes for the state of Kerala.
Exactly, Aishwarya. In fact, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has reacted very strongly to the statements made by Maharashtra Minister Nitish Rane, saying that these statements are provocative and condemnable. He says that the BJP has been trying to strengthen their influence in the state of Kerala, but it's not been happening for many years. And that is why they're trying to, alienate and isolate the state by spreading propaganda like this, is what Chief Minister says. He also says that the minister here, Nitish Rane, does not deserve to continue in that position of a minister because the statement he made is a clear breach of the oath of constitution. It's a clear breach of constitution and the oath he took as a minister. So he also asked what is the stand of the ruling party in the country, the BJP stand on the minister's statement. The fact that they have not responded yet to it, or the fact that they have not condemned this statement, shows what is their, stand or what is their approach towards a state like Kerala. In fact, the statement has sparked a major controversy also in the state because he went on to say that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi won from Wayanad because Kerala is a mini Pakistan. And it was a terrorist who voted for both Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi. That's like insulting the state, is what both the Congress and the CPIM here strictly hit out at. In fact, the flags that they were talking about were of the IUML and not Pakistan flags, is also a clarification that was issued by the party.
Right, Shivi Mol. Thank you, Shivi Mol, for giving us those details. Now, the Kerala Chief Minister hitting back at what Nitish Rane has said, and he's saying that the Sangh Parivar, what the Sangh Parivar believes for Kerala, has become pretty clear from the statement of Nitish Rane.